Hello friends and welcome back to the Directly channel. So friends, today we will talk about Shuttle, new XPC Nano NE10N Fanless mini PC platform. So friend, the XPC Nano NE10N is a fanless mini platform that impressed with its compact design and robust technology and developed for reliable 24/7 continuous operation, and the barebone is particularly suitable for digital display solution, control system, POS application, and for use in office and media environment. And inside the NE10N is a 12th generation Intel N100 processor, and which offers solid computing power with completely passive cooling despite a TDP of only 6 watt, in the absence of active fan ensures silent operation and reduced maintenance requirement, a clear advantage in sensitive and hard to reach installation despite a housing volume of only 0.6 liter. And the system offers a wide range of expansion options: DDR4 SO-DIMM slot for up to 16 GB RAM, and M.2 2280 slot for NVMe and SATA SSD, and the optional M.2 2230 slot for pre-installed wireless antennas for wireless network connection, and the indicated Intel UHD graphics unit enable simulation operation of 2 Ultra HD display via HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4. And the other features include 6 USB ports, 4 of which are USB 3.2 Generation 2 and Gigabit LAN port and combined audio port, and power is supplied by an external fan 65-watt power supply. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.